This is the second part of the video. Now we are going to discuss the procedure, observation, precaution, all these steps. Its procedure completes in 4 or 5 steps. That is, first of all, we used to grow the roots from the root tip. The second step is fixation. The third step is hydrolysis. Fourth step is washing the roots. And in fifth step, we will prepare the slide. Students, for growing the roots, we used to take an onion bulb. This is the root tip, and this region is the root tip. So first of all, we will remove the dead roots from here with the help of sharp blade. Students, you can see I have removed the dead roots. Now I will take a container of narrow mouth. In lab we used to take conical flask for this, and here since I don't have this, so I have taken a narrow mouth apparatus, and in this I will fill it with water, and then we will put this onion bulb in inverted position in such a way so that the root tip touch the water level. Now keep this arrangement for 6 or 7 days. After 6 or 7 days, from root tips roots grow. Since I have already grown it, so I am going to show it to you. You can see the roots. Now the first part is completed. Now its fixation starts. So for fixation, we are going to take acetic acid and methanol in the ratio 1:3. So put acetic acid and methanol in a vessel like this.
Cut the roots.
Cutting of roots should be done in the morning time, since division of cells it is more during morning time. Students, you can see I have cut the roots. Roots should be cut from the tip. 5 mm size is enough. So we will put these roots in the solution of acetic acid and methanol taken 1:3 ratio. So by taking it in the solution of acetic acid and methanol, we can use it in future. Now when we have to prepare the root, we can take the roots which we have kept for fixation, and now we will heat these roots in 1 normal hydrochloric acid. After heating the roots, then we take any of the root on a clean slide. Students, you can see I have taken the roots. Now put a little drop of acetocarmine solution on this. After putting acetocarmine solution, cover your root tips with cover slip with the help of needle. I have taken the blade. You have to put it carefully so that air should not trap in it. Now press it with the help of the handle of your needle very carefully and gently so that you cannot break the cover slips. Or you can take the aid of your thumbs also. By means of thumbs you can press it. By pressing it, the root material is spread evenly on the slide. Now watch it in the low power microscope to see the division of cells, and then under high power microscope to distinguish different phases. Students, this is how you are going to prepare the slide of root tips for mitosis cell division. After this, you have studied that mitosis cell division, it completes in 2 phases. One is the karyokinesis, another is the cytokinesis. Karyokinesis completes in 5 phases, that is interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. and after that cytokinesis is done. In karyokinesis, division of nucleus takes place, so it is a complex one, and after that division of cytoplasm takes place in cytokinesis. I am just going to show you the diagram, and from that we will try to explain it. Students, you have already studied the phases. I am just going to remind you. This is the first phase or interphase. This is the normal stage of the cell. In this stage, cell prepares itself for division. Here you can see in the center nucleus is there, and DNA material, that is chromatin fibers, are there in the nucleus region. So this is the normal stage of the cell. Cell is ready to divide. Now in the second stage, here you can see the chromatin fibers, they starts condensing, and the chromatin fibers, they start coiling in pairs and join in between centromeres. So now here you can see that they are condensed and they are joined at centromere, and now these are chromosomes. In next phase, and in this phase the nucleolus and nuclear membranes starts disappearing. In the next phase, here bispindle fibers appear, and the chromosomes, they starts arranging themselves at the equator, and here they are joined with the spindle fibers at centromeres. The chromosomes are arranged in L, V like shapes. Now in anaphase stage, the chromatids, they used to separate in pairs with their centromeres and move to opposite poles. So here you can see these are the daughter chromosomes, and they have moved to opposite poles. And in telophase stage, now at opposite poles, the chromosomes, they changes into chromatin material, nucleolus appears, and appears their nuclear membrane on both the poles. So till here karyokinesis is finished. Now in last stage comes where this cell plates appear, which separates both the daughter nuclei into two daughter cells. So students, in this way you have seen that a single cell divides into two, and this type of division is mitosis cell division. So this is all about the mitosis cell division. Now you will go through its precaution. For precaution, Students, you must remove the dead leaves from the root tip carefully and always keep it in touch of water so that roots grow easily. And second thing is, when you are going to cut the roots, then always cut it in the morning time. So these are some precautions which you have to take during this process. Now I will provide you the PDF of the chapter so that you can write the experiment in your practical records and study the material related with practicals. Thank you.